Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mankesh, and in this video we are covering PS command. PS to check what are the transactions, what are the processes are running on your Linux terminal. What your transactions are running on Unix terminal, these are the processes. Then PID called as process ID, PPID called as parent process ID. We will see it on terminal how it looks like. So process creation steps, whenever you will execute any kind of command, any kind of scripts in the back end, there are three programs will get learned. Like one by one, it will trigger fork system, which will create the process copy. Then execute will come in the picture. That fork will create the process, but it is not up to run the new program. So that's the reason execute will come in the picture. Then wait will call that parent to get complete. Like first child will get complete and then parent process will get complete. Now what is a parent and what is a child? If you see the below screenshot, here it is showing ps minus ef. Here you can see user id, it means which user has executed that process. Second column pid, which is a process id. Then parent process id. Some processes has parent, like this is what the parent process id. Under this parent, these two are child processes are running. Why? Because their pid, this is p1, process 1 pid 1 is using by parent process id for these two. So these two are child process of this parent. So here you can see the pid, which is a process id. Here you can see parent process id. Then this is the terminal name, terminal timings, and at the end you can see which process is running, which command is executing, which script file is triggering. So all these steps we can see in our output as well. We will see ps, it will print current process status only. This is what the ps command I have executed, and it got completed also. Again I have executed. See, this pid is getting changed. So pid is a unique id assigned to each and every process. PID. Then this is what the terminal name, on which terminal I'm executing this. This is the terminal timings, from since how much times it is triggering. And this is a command. Command means which command I'm executing or which script I'm executing. So PS has multiple options like PS minus F, PS minus E. All these options are available in that man command also. I have taken few from that man command. So we will see. Let me quit that man page. Q. In production, we usually use PS minus EF. Why? Because it will filter out all the processes, including system plus user, with PID plus PPID. So here you can see which users process are this: PID, then PPID, then this is what the name of the terminal, then last column you can see the commands and execution time. So let me go to my notes. Here we have seen some more options about the process commands. This is what the PS, they have shown what is a PID, the unique ID of process. Then TTY is a terminal name. Timing, the amount of CPU in minutes. CMD, that is a command which we have triggered. Uh, if you want to see all processes, they have given only A option, PS minus A. PS minus A, it will give the same which PS minus E will give. Then if you see here, you cannot see the user ID and parent process ID. If you want to see that, then just use F option. It will show you all PS minus AF, capital A, or PS minus. Both are the same options to get the same output. PS minus EF will also show you the same output which PS minus capital A is giving. So it will show you all the running processes in Linux. Then you can see more options: ps minus d, ps minus n. These are the options also. You can trigger and check what is the output you're getting. And yes, in the production we mostly use ps minus e f. It will show you all processes including plus user plus system. uh, this is what my ubuntu terminal. I have only 4 processes are running here, but same scenario will not happen on the server level. This is the applications, that's the reason I have only 4 processes over here. But let me show you one. We have one JS Linux. This is also one online Linux terminal where you can see how it will show you the process output. PS minus EF. See, it has only these processes are running right now. And yes, this is a different terminal. Old one version is also different. You name minus A, you can see the version and all 4.12. So that's the reason it is not showing you the process parent process ID as well here. I have hit PS minus EF command, but there are a number of processes are running. Then there is a onworks terminal is also there. Onworks Linux terminal. Just go to that website and do some practice on this server. You will see how many processes are running. I have just launched my Ubuntu server over here. It is launching. It's here only. It is restarting that Ubuntu server. So once this start, I'll show you what is output is showing by this server, how many processes are running. Because at the back end, multiple processes are running, which is useful for our system. If you're working on Windows also, Alt Control Delete. Go to this, go to Task Manager and see how many processes are running. These are the background process of your Windows, and front end process Chrome and all these things are also running. So in Windows you will use Task Manager to see the list of the processes, but in Unix you have a PS command which will help you out. Now we need to wait here for 8 seconds, then it will start my Ubuntu server. If you changed window, then this server will again reboot, because if you want to work on this server you have to stay on this Windows only. So I don't know it is starting or not. It is starting, it is loading. I will not change my window, otherwise this session will get log off. So my Ubuntu server is starting, it is connecting. Yes, this is what my, I'm just increasing the size. Oh, it is not working like. Okay, just right click on it, open terminal. In this terminal we will do the practice. I will hit date command. This is showing CET time zone. It is not Indian time zone. Uname, yes, it is a Linux. Okay, I'm not able to increase the font size. Okay, leave it. PS minus EF, you can see all the processes. See, in this way you can see the processes in Unix. I have hit PS minus EF command and so many processes come. This is the user ID, this is a PID, this is a PPID, this is a terminal timings. Then at the last you can see the command which it, these are the background processes which is useful for that server, which is useful for that operating system. And user process also you can see at the end. If you hit any kind of commands, then yes, at the end you can see which command you have executed and it got completed. So let me use here cal cal command is printing uh, tail minus f command. Okay, let me create one file first. History.txt. Okay, ls, I have that file cat history.txt. It has very less command. So what I'm going to do is tail minus f history.txt. You can see this tail command is started. I'm going to start one more new terminal and I want to see ps minus ef. At the end I can see my tailf command is also running here. Look at this. This process is also running. Onworks is my user. If you want to check what is my username, who am I will get my username. So this is Onworks. And this is the process what it is running. So in this way you can monitor your process. I want to just filter out this Onworks. Later on we will cover grep command also. It is very useful. So ps minus ef, I want to check only onwork process, my users process only. So it will just filter out onworks processes. These are the onwork processes are running right now in this server. So this is what my tailf hyphen f command, this is also running. This is a PID, this is a parent process ID. If I want to close this, I want to kill this, the way you do end task in Windows, here we have a kill command and then you have to give this PID, kill 23926. So it will kill that process. I'm not getting any error. So let's go ahead and see what happened with this. See, terminated. I just go through this, change my terminal, and I've seen this process got terminated. In this way we can kill the processes also in Unix. I will show you how kill command works. In my notes also we can see uh, that server is offline now because I have changed the windows. So let me close everything and let's jump to this Linux commands. So kill process you can use to kill the processes in Unix. Process commands are these are the attributes we have checked. There are more attributes available in man page also, but the thing which we are using mostly is ps minus e, ps minus f, ps minus a, small a. So it will show you the long running process also like that. So just check how to use kill command. So what I'll do is, let me start one more process here, ps hyphen ef. So I have started tel minus f, we have history.log here. This process I have started. Let me start one more terminal. In this terminal if I'll see ps minus ef, I can see this process is already exist in another terminal. This process is, if you want to kill this is what the PID you can see, kill, and give the PID name 195. Process is killed. Again, kill command has multiple options, like if the process, if you are not able to kill the process, then we have kill hyphen 9, which is forcefully kill option. It will definitely kill your process. So hyphen 9 mostly used for forcefully killing. Hyphen 15 little bit stronger than this kill command. So how to use forcefully kill options I can show you. Suppose this process I have started again, I'll go to my terminal. Okay, let me see what is a PID. This is what the new PID, kill hyphen 15, which is little stronger than kill command. My PID is 211, so I have killed it. Again let me start how to forcefully kill it. Just go to here, kill hyphen 9, and then use what is your, okay. So first of all find out what is the PID of your process. I can see the PID is 213. If 213 is a PID, then kill hyphen 9 and 213. You can use that process is killed. So in this way, you can check the process status. And if you want to kill any kind of process, these are the syntax which you can use to kill the processes as well. In production we mostly identify how many is there any zombies process are available there or not. What is the use of top command. Top command is very important. It will show you the memory of that server also, how many processes are taking highest memory of that server. You can easily see in that. So that I will cover in the next video. For now just do the practice of process, ps command and kill command. Just watch this video and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.